guys, thanks for tuning in, Coastside Family Adventures. It's Mother's Day and we are going fishing. I wanted to show you guys the snow on the mountain back there. I just missed it. It's actually 77 today and there is still snow on the top of the mountain. Okay, we're going in. This is the Cove Resort at Fish Lake in Leavenworth. I think it's just part of Leavenworth, even though we are half an hour out of Leavenworth. There it is, Fish Lake. Yay. Yeah, the pontoon boats, we're gonna see if we can rent a pontoon boat. And you can, here in Fish Lake, if you rent a boat, you cannot go swimming off the boat. It's only for fishing. Okay, so one customer at a time still, because we are in Washington. We still have stay-at-home orders, but people are allowed to go fishing. So I'm gonna go see if I can get one of those, either pontoon boats or any of the other boats. And we'll go out there for an hour. What do you think, Daniel? We got Daniel a new fishing pole since the other one that he had was just not working right. So I'm hoping that this one will work. So there is a deck that people can fish off of. There are the pontoon boats. And here's also a boats ramp for you to bring your own boat. Yep, there's number 25. What do you think? We have never been on a pontoon boat before. This is so exciting.
That's it. Sorry, I'm trying to drive a pontoon boat. Sorry about that. I didn't know if I was in reverse or forward. We're on Fish Lake right now. It's our first time out.
Good job, honey. You're doing it. This is so amazing.
Yeah.
I love it. Oh, this is so exciting. By the way, this is 25 bucks an hour for the pontoon boat, guys. And they also have rowboats for, I believe, 8 bucks an hour and little motorboats for 13 bucks an hour. So this is so amazing. Oh my gosh. Look, there's the snow on the mountain.
Okay, bye.
All right, Daniel. Let Daniel do it.
This gives it just like a little gas.
Whoa. Give it some gas, Daniel.
Dad, you should watch him.
Let me see that, Daniel.
I didn't know what I was doing.
This is so amazing. Wasn't it a good idea?
This is just nice out here.
Daniel is going to teach you.
Do that to speed up, do that to slow down, do this to turn.
Whoa!
I watch Wildcats. They can actually see fish underwater. They actually look like glowing. They actually have a little... Mom, their eyes, they can see fish. It's because they look kind of glowy.
He's going to go down?
Eagles go to shiny stuff.
Yeah, oh, yeah. Okay, hang on. He's coming towards us, right? Yeah, he's coming towards us. Okay, he's going lower. He's going lower. Oh, he has a fish. Look, he has a fish. It is possible. What do you think, Daniel? Nothing? Nope, nothing. Whee! Okay, let's say goodbye to this beautiful pontoon boat on the Fish Lake. We're gonna bring it back in. There it is. And then if we can, we'll still go fishing off the pier there for a little bit. Let's see if we can stay for a few more minutes. All right, Daniel is gonna bring us to our parking spot. Daniel, you gotta go slow into the parking spot.
No. Crash.
No, no crashing.
Mom, can I swim right near over there?
No, you're not allowed to swim in Fish Lake. Gosh, this is
Mom.
gorgeous. I don't know how it looks on the video, but in person it is just absolutely gorgeous. Okay guys, we are going on the dock. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's catch some fish. You can do it, Daniel. You can do it. You got it! You got it, Daniel! Yay! Yeah. You want to touch it? Touch the tail.
Hurry, it's bleeding out.
Come on, hurry. No, it's not bleeding. See? Just a no, it's not. Not at all. It's just the... Okay. Okay, we'll put it back in.
Yeah.
Okay. That little sucker was wild. Go slow.
Wow, that's a big one.
Let me see.
Oh my god.
Christian, look at that. Bring it out. Oh my gosh. Bring it out. Bring it out. That's a trout. That's a trout. That's beautiful. Wow. Come on, you can do it. Yay. Over here. Bring it to Daddy. Over.
Trout?
Wow.
Trout?
Come on, baby. You can do it. Catch it. Catch it.
I don't want to get hooked.
Catch it. You're not going to get hooked. Catch it. Catch it. He's such a baby. No, catch it. Yay. It's... Okay, guys, we're leaving. This was absolutely amazing. It's time to get back to the RV. What do you think, everyone? Was this amazing?
Yeah.
Yes? Gonna do this again next weekend.
Maybe even tomorrow.
Maybe even tomorrow.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I want to do this right now.
Yeah, they didn't want to go, but it's time to get back and get some food.
Yeah, I am. Food is the best thing ever.
Bye. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Remember to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.